Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Tradovate on TradingView. First, open your TradingView platform and locate the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. From there, you will see a list of supported brokers. Simply click on the Tradovate icon. A login window will then appear, prompting you to enter your Tradovate username and password. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once you've entered your Tradovate credentials, confirm the connection. You should then see your Tradovate account details, including your balance and open positions, appear directly within the TradingView trading panel. This seamless integration allows you to manage your futures trading without switching between platforms. You are now ready to utilize TradingView's advanced charting tools with your live Tradovate account. It's quite convenient. With your accounts linked, you can now leverage TradingView's powerful charting capabilities for your Tradovate trades. Execute various order types, including market, limit, and stop orders, directly from the charts. You can also easily monitor your open positions, modify orders, and manage your risk all within the familiar TradingView environment. This integration truly enhances your trading experience by centralizing your tools. To maximize your experience, explore Tradovate's unique features available through the TradingView integration, such as advanced order flow tools. Customize your trading layout to suit your personal preferences, ensuring optimal efficiency and a clear view of the markets. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your trading setup. This setup offers a powerful combination for serious traders.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.